Hi, today I'll be doing an in-depth review of Omnisend, a comprehensive email and SMS marketing platform tailored specifically for e-commerce businesses. Whether you're a budding online store or an established retailer, Omnisend offers a suite of tools designed to enhance your marketing efforts and drive sales. Today, we'll dive into everything you need to know about Omnisend, what it is, its features, the pricing, the pros and cons, and whether it's the ultimate email marketing tool for e-commerce. Let's explore what makes this platform stand out. Omnisend is an all-in-one marketing automation platform designed specifically for e-commerce businesses. Think of it as your go-to tool for connecting with your audience through email, SMS, and even web push notifications. But what makes Omnisend different from other marketing tools out there? Well, for starters, it's tailored to online stores. Its integration with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce makes setup and data syncing effortless. Omnisend lets you create personalized, multi-channel campaigns that can boost customer engagement, sales, and loyalty, all without needing advanced technical skills. From automated workflows for cart abandonment to segmentation tools that ensure your campaigns reach the right people, Omnisend is built to handle the unique challenges of e-commerce marketing. Now let us talk about the main features of Omnisend. Email marketing. Omnisend makes creating email campaigns effortless. Their drag and drop editor allows you to design professional, visually appealing emails without needing to know any code. Plus, they offer a library of customizable templates tailored for e-commerce, which means you can easily highlight your products, sales, and promotions. But it doesn't stop there. Omnisend's emails are responsive, ensuring they look great on desktop and mobile devices alike, a critical feature since most customers check their emails on their phones. SMS marketing. With SMS marketing, you can directly connect with your audience in real time. Imagine being able to notify your customers about a flash sale, send order confirmations, or follow up with delivery updates, all through text messages. What's really powerful here is the ability to combine SMS with email in the same campaign. For instance, if a customer doesn't open your email, Omnisend can automatically trigger an SMS to make sure your message gets through. Web push notifications. This feature is like having a secret weapon for customer engagement. Web push notifications allows you to send messages directly to your customers' browsers even when they're not on your site. Whether it's announcing a sale, reminding them of a cart they abandoned, or promoting a new product, this tool helps you stay top of mind with your audience. Marketing automation. Automation is where Omnisend truly shines. The platform offers pre-built workflows for key customer journeys like welcome emails for new subscribers, cart abandonment recovery emails, post-purchase thank you messages and upsell offers, re-engagement campaigns for inactive customers. These workflows help you connect with customers at the perfect moment without lifting a finger. Plus, the automation editor is easy to use, allowing you to create custom workflows that align with your specific business goals. Segmentation and targeting. Omnisend segmentation tools take personalization to the next level. You can divide your audience into groups based on criteria like purchase behavior, like first-time buyers versus repeat customers, browsing history, location and demographics, engagement levels. With targeted messaging, you can send the right message to your right customer, increasing the chances of conversion. Reporting and analytics. Having insights into your campaign performance is critical, and Omnisend delivers detailed reporting to help you make data-driven decisions. You can track open rates and click-through rates, conversion rates and sales generated by campaigns, performance across email, SMS, and push notifications. One standout feature is the revenue attribution, which shows exactly how much revenue each campaign is bringing in. This level of transparency helps you understand what works, what is working, and where to improve. Integrations and e-commerce focus. Omnisend integrates seamlessly with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and Magento. Beyond that, it works with tools like Zapier, Google Analytics, and Facebook Ads to create a connected ecosystem for your business. Now let us talk about the pricing. Omnisend offers 3 main plans, making it flexible for businesses of all size. Free plan. It is perfect for small businesses. This plan includes up to 500 emails per month for 250 contacts, along with basic email and sign-up forms. Standard plan, which costs $11.2 per month. The Pro plan. For $41.3 per month, this plan includes unlimited emails, advanced segmentation, and even SMS credits equal to your subscription cost. Remember, pricing scales with the size of your contact list, so as your business grows, the plan adjusts to meet your needs. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using Omnisend. First, the pros. E-commerce specific features. Multi-channel capabilities like email, SMS, and push notifications. Easy to use interface with automation templates. Detailed analytics and performance tracking. How about the cons? Limited SMS credits in lower plans. Pricing can get steep for larger contact lists. So, is Omnisend the ultimate email marketing tool for e-commerce? In my opinion, it's definitely one of the best out there. Its features are tailored to the needs of online stores, making it incredibly easy to create and manage effective campaigns. The ability to integrate email, SMS, and push notifications into one platform ensures your marketing efforts are cohesive and impactful. However, whether it's the ultimate tool really depends on your business size and goals. If you're a small to medium-sized online store looking to streamline your marketing, Omnisend is a fantastic choice. For larger businesses, the pricing could be a consideration, but the advanced features and automation make it worth exploring. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Klaviyo, MailChimp, and ActiveCampaign. That's a wrap on today's review of Omnisend. I hope you found this information helpful. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.